What's up, everybody? We're out at another Coker pit bike race here at Oatfield for Triple Crown round 3 and 4. It's dark. We got one big floodlight, one that's not working. Coker's doing his pit bike races here. I guess Corky stepped up, built a pretty awesome pit bike track. Wish you guys could see it. So we're gonna check out the action right now. We'll try and get it. It's dark out here. You know how these GoPros are. They don't pick up the action too good when it's dark, but here comes a big class. Here it is.
Which side do you want me to use? The one with the 20s or the 50s? You work the cheater, right? Cash money. Ready to go, cash money! Yeah! Woo! Second. Third.
No, that wasn't him. That was him.
Third.
He cheated.
All right.
He was single, but he was perfect.
Have a nice day. That's how it goes. Integrity. Moto teaches you lessons. If you don't know when you come up here and have integrity, you don't get it. Because I don't have time to go through the replay. Okay? Don't worry about it. MMX, you come out and you make it clean. Go. What's your name?
Carter.
Who? Carter. Carter, you are the first winner and the first ever STACYC at a Triple Crown pit bike race to have the courage, okay, to stand on that line. So I think you've got a lot of promise in you. So that's for first place.
Yeah.
That's for second place. And that's for third place. All right, we good? Is that enough? All right. Good job. Hey, here. This is what we do.
He's gonna put it in your mitten for you, buddy.
Okay, now listen. Stay away from the strip clubs. It won't go far there.
Good job, buddy.
Oh shit!
We're all close. We're right there. Oh, Tom, we need 100 bucks.
$50, $100. Now, here's the rule. You're part of CP Racing. You get 50, and the team gets 50.
Yeah! I want to thank my sponsors.
Oh.
Give me the mic.
All right. Second. 40. Where's our third?
Better than nothing.
Motor made 110 motors. Good job.
Yeah, they're pretty quick.
I'd say you impound it and check his CC.
We gotta impound this thing, dude.
This is an
That thing's
A.
pulling like a 250.
It is a 110 though. It literally is.
It's got ECU.
Hey!
Big horse sucks.
Quiet! Eyeballs, ears! Alright, now, as tradition, $100. Except you're part of CP. So 50 goes into my pocket for the team.
What am I for to see?
You want to know why I'm holding this to this? Because that's the second time you've checked out. So next time you
He's
race,
20.
you're on a 10-inch wheel.
10-inch.
Just drop the 10-inch in the back. You can modify this by then. You mod the rest of it.
Hey, Eric, this
Where's
is
your
the first
sports
race
bra?
I didn't see William Truett win today.
Yeah. Yeah. no shit.
Okay,
This is my first time
second.
riding this track. It's not even mine.
And 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐬's bike.
Third. Good job.
Good job, Ben.
The rest of you guys are going home broke. This guy didn't get first.
I think I got first.
That's why I beat you.
Thank you.
This thing I was not ready for the race.
Second. Third. All right. CP team riders to ever do a pit bike race at Mammoth. It is absolutely carnage. It is on asphalt, no dirt. It is in the main streets. They block off the whole thing. They got obstacles, carnage, okay? And our guys, which was Briggs, Josh Briggs, Yeah, and the rules, they didn't understand there really were no rules. But our guys adapted because they blew through barriers. Okay, when the guys hit the kill switches, fast house, that's the team that always wins. Okay, well our guys gave them some hammer and they switched bikes and put their choke on halfway. They did all sorts of shit. They won, but believe me, okay, we gave it to them. So, I have no more 50s left. All right, let's see what we got left.
Stop. Just stop.
1, 2, 3. No, she got money.
You got some money?
Yeah, hella 50s.
No, we're good. Okay, we're good. Except you got. Oh, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. You got team race, right? I need. No, I'm good. I need 20. No, I'm good. Don't worry about it. They'll just suffer. Yeah. First.
I made the 10. I made it a small. Swap.
Second. We're third.
They were third.
Second will get 60. Where's third? Third will get 40. And that's it. I'm all done. Okay? All right, hey! CP, bedtime, 2 hours! CP,